mystery package from Hermes.
What did the Hermes code send me?
Yes please, of course. Yes, I will sign for it.
Give it to me. Give it to me. What is it?
Yes, I will sign my life away.
Anything from Hermes, I'll take it. What is it? I don't even care.
Is it a mini Birkin? I hope it is.
Thank you, Hermes cards.
What is it? Who knows? We're gonna find out together. I just got this mystery package from Hermes, signed for it, and I have no idea what it is. I haven't ordered anything. I mean, I have ordered things, but this could be any of them. So let's find out what it is. And maybe it's a really small Kelly. A mini Birkin. A mini Birkin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, and an Hermes whore. And today, we're gonna be doing a really quick. This is gonna be the quickest video I've ever posted. It's gonna be under 3 minutes, under 5 minutes, maybe not. We'll see, depending on what this is. But today we're doing a little quick unboxing of this random package I got from Hermes that I designed for that just came today. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Did you subscribe? Okay, subscribe. And keep on watching. Okay, so we're just gonna open it. I just got this. This came in the mail today, and I have no idea what it is. So let's open it and find out.
What did the Hermes code send me?
Is it a mini Birkin? I hope it is. It's probably, I mean, realistically, this feels like nothing. It feels like a book and something on top of the book. I bet you it's a book. I bet you it's a catalog and like perfume samples. That's what it's probably gonna be. But, okay, we're manifesting. We're manifesting. We're manifesting a mini Birkin. Mini Kelly. A mini Birkin and a mini Kelly. Can you imagine? For free! Oh, what did they send me? Okay, here we go. For some reason I wanted to say anthrax. Is that weird? Does that still exist? Yeah, I think I was right. It looks like catalog. Great! Another Hermes catalog for my coffee table full of Hermes catalogs. This is exciting. Oh look, there's a Birkin. It is a mini Birkin. It's a mini, I can't get it. Look, it's my Birkin. Have you guys seen those shopping bags? I don't forget is it if it's like a shopping bag, like a grocery shopping bag, but it's a Birkin on the front, on the back, and the sides of a Birkin, and you can carry it. Like it was all over TikTok or Instagram or something recently, and I guess somebody made it, and like it's sold out everywhere. You can't even get it now because it's like everyone wanted it. This is totally perfume samples. This is very exciting. They had to put these in a separate bag because, you know, gotta protect. Look at, they're so small. You got two perfume samples, which I'm gonna wear tomorrow. They're like taped shut in the tape shut. 3 samples. 3 little Hermes samples. Eau intense vivetier, pure parfum, eau de toilette d'air. Odeur d'air. Cool! Well, got some perfume, got a book. I'm gonna go smell good and read for a little bit. Maybe I'll just walk around with this. Maybe I'll just cut it out and be like, it's like one of those shoulder Birks. Yeah, okay, so this was fun. Just a little pop-in on a Wednesday. You know, just like a, hey, happy hump day. Happy Hermes hump day. I'm gonna go hump these now. I'm gonna go hump myself. Okay. This was so fun. Did you guys enjoy this? Okay, well, that was the end of this video. I really don't know what else to say. I guess I got these. I think I requested these like a long time ago. I do remember requesting them, but it was like months ago. Well, anyway, I have some other fun stuff coming up later, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, okay? If you like it, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me, even though this felt like a waste of time, maybe. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was fun. Was it fun? I don't know. Who knows? Okay. It's also like 2 a.m. when I'm filming this, so I'm really tired, but not. I'm really full of energy. I don't know why I'm so awake today. But I gotta go to bed because I gotta get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Because I got a full day tomorrow. Okay. See you guys in the next one. Ooh. Bye. That sounds fine. Bye.